Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting into a server where Audio Glove can appear. This matters because spawns vary. Once in, make sure you have at least 1,000 coins or suitable trade items ready so you can claim or buy quickly. Next, head straight to the lobby vendor or the known spawn zone. Do not wander. Timing matters. The goal here is speed and readiness. Prepare inventory, move decisively, and watch the minimap for item markers so you can act the moment it appears. Once you're positioned, monitor spawn timers and chat. Players often post when the glove shows up, and that intel speeds you up. Move in with light, controlled engagement. Don't get into long fights that cost you the spawn position. Then, prepare quick equip slots so you can pick up and equip the Audio Glove instantly. That reduces lost pickups and prevents snatch attempts. You do this because responsiveness wins contested drops, and being ready is how you convert presence into possession. After grabbing the glove, equip and test its audio functions right away so you confirm it's active and not bugged. If another player intervenes and steals it, check the recent kill feed to find who has it and track them quickly. Predictable movement patterns help. If the vendor or spawn resets, be ready to spend coins or negotiate a trade to reclaim one. This is why you kept funds. And if the item glitches, relog or rejoin the server before trying trades or purchases again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.